Hello and welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the mess on my desk, but it's always busy working on loads of projects, so let me clear this up a little bit and hopefully focus on a little project. And I'll show you what project we'll be focusing on. I think this you will see in another video. Right. So I want to focus on this. So apparently, not apparently, my little boy dropped it. If you remember, this is the tablet that I fixed in another video. I've changed the screen and the digitiser. Or only the screen, I can't remember. I'll put the link somewhere up there, probably. Up there, yeah. Right, let's see if it powers on or if I need to. Oh, okay, it does power on. So it's playing, but there's no sound. So let's take it apart and see what's going on. Right. Where should we start? So let's start from here. Can I just use my... yeah, okay. Hopefully this is going to be a really quick fix. Right, so we managed to get it open. The first thing, the speaker holder is broken, so we're on the right track. Let's see. So this should have been... oh, this would have been somewhere here, I think, like this, holding it in place. Okay, and the second thing I'm thinking, let's see, are all the wires, is okay, look, one of the wires became detached, so I'm thinking it's gonna be easy. We'll just reattach the wire. Reattach the wire and then everything should work. So Let's power up the soldering iron. Okay. I've changed a little bit the position of the camera. Maybe it will show better. I hope. We'll see. It's closer until I get another camera. That's gonna be even better, I hope. Okay. Right, so right, that should be enough. Plastic smells horrible. Should I use one of these little things to put this back? No, they're not actually good. And this is too long. So many screwdrivers. But it's okay. Let's see. We're taking this out. Now this would hold it in place like this. We'll need to figure out a way of holding this in place, because I think of the shock of the drop is not staying how it should stay. But let's first, yeah, let's see now if I power it on. Let's see if this works now. Yeah, did you hear it? How do I check it? Does it have a recorder or something? Music. Yeah, music. It works. I can hear it. So, tablet is fixed, which is nice. Now I just have to figure out how to put a little bit of, I mean, maybe glue something here to hold this in place so it doesn't fall when I screw it up. So when I do it up, so hopefully, yeah, everything should be fine. So right, yeah, maybe I'll put a drop of glue right here. I know it's not a permanent fix, but I think that would last at least for how much time this tablet is going to have with my boy. Okay, I've put a little bit of glue. I'm gonna screw it back in. Okay, and then I'll put the cover back on, and that's gonna be it. We should be fine. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it, and we'll do something else in the next video. I have so many projects open on my table that I really need to start thinking about and finishing. Otherwise I'm gonna be overrun by items that I need to record. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.